While we're in the 3D view, if I go and right click and select render settings, you have the option of applying textures. Let's look at that in more detail. Changing my viewport, switching on CAD layers for my rendering. And going to my display settings or pressing F10 on my keyboard. Select road strings. If you're familiar with the 8.3 display settings, you'll find that we've got a new tab here called textures. You now have the option of specifying your own textures, and these textures would then be visible in your render view. If I click on the down arrow, you'll find that we've got 40 textures to go and select from. You can specify different textures for different elements in your road, and these textures would also be applicable to your components. Looking at that, if I go to Tools on top, Component Editor, in 8.3 we gave you the option of 9 textures, so we've also increased that to 40. These textures on the road surface and other road elements are now aligned along the road. Let's take a look at it. Changing my viewport. Remember that these textures are only available if you right-click, select Render Settings, and enable your textures. In 8.4, you will also notice that we give you the option to maximize the render view area. And that would mean even if you've got your output bar open in your design center, your output bar won't be displayed. There you can see the new textures implemented. If you want to make changes, it's easy. We go back to your display settings, road strings, and let's for instance make a change to the carriageway. We're doing a golf estate here, so we'd only change the texture to a brick paving. Looking at the different textures, it may be that you want a different texture for your sidewalks, for your compulsory information, for your curbs, the carriageway, using some grass for your median, and then also looking at your cut and fill embankments.